The views and opinions expressed on any program are those of the persons appearing on the program and do not necessarily reflect the views and opinions of the New Media Factory. Some programs on this network might include strong images and language and may not be suitable for all audiences. Viewer discretion is advised.
If you feel good, you need to cry. I can hear for a while. So pour a bottle of wine, take some time. Yeah. Need a helping hand, or perhaps just a friend. Pull it down, 'cause it's alright. It's
Welcome to Live, Love, Loves. O, diba? We are streaming live from Beyond the Box Studios at One Rockwell. And with me tonight is our special guest, Dana and Stacy Gutierrez of theplumpinay.com. Oh my gosh! Thank you! Thank you for being here tonight! Yeah!
Cheers, 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 cheers. Sige, tingin. Okay,
So,
isa pa. Okay, go, cheers,
Cheers.
cheers.
Cheers and Nauna. This is from our neighbor. Thank you, neighbor, for providing us with our refreshing beverages. for
Spiked
tonight.
beverages.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so let's begin. Game na? Game na. Okay. Sandali. Sandali. Pagagalitan ako ng yaya ko. Hindi pa ready ang aking... Okay, it's yaya.
Buti nakatulog ako sa taxi.
Talaga?
I'm refreshed.
That's better. That's so much better.
Yeah,
Then when you
yeah.
drive, you look for parking.
Yeah,
and then
it's
you
so
don't know how to
stressful.
park. You make it
Yep.
akyat on the banqueta. Then the guard will say, "Prrr, prrr, just stop it. You come back here." Let's talk about the F word.
Okay.
Does my fat ass make my ass look fat? The F word. What is your experience with the F word? What is fat? What's that? What is it ba?
Well, to us, fat is just an adjective, and it's not really an insult or something that you should be offended when thrown at you.
Yes.
So we're really trying to reclaim the word back through our blog and our posts. Na,
I like that word reclaim. You're reclaiming it.
Yeah, na. It's not an
nothing-
offensive
yeah.
word.
Yeah, yeah.
It's
Diba, it's just like saying you're tall.
blonde.
Ano
or
yun?
It's just an adjective.
What's this? Wait lang, I'll get mad at my yaya. Yes, it is an adjective, and yes, you are reclaiming the word, and it's great. I love what you're doing, and I love that you are inspiring all these people to come forward and be comfortable in their own skin. But why the negative stigma on the word in your ano feeling nyo? Bakit ang nega, diba?
Yeah,
I
nega
feel-
siya. Naging nega na yung word eh.
Yeah,
Kasi
like even
feeling
like to
ko-
describe, let's say, a feeling, parang I feel fat,
Diba?
and then
Oo
you're
eh.
not smiling.
Feeling
Diba?
ko it's because of the media din. How they portray fat people.
Yeah.
And how fat people are always the butt of jokes in
Yeah.
movies and shows.
Yeah,
So, feeling ko dahil doon, nag-evolve na parang insulto. Dapat may insulto kapag sinabing mataba ka or what.
Oh,
Yeah.
and then it's also a greeting here. Diba?
Oh, or parang ano siya, pag sinabing mataba, it's directly going towards the word ugly.
Ganon?
Parang
Ganon yung
ganon
stigma?
Eh. Meron ganon na parang pag dinescribe mo, mataba, it's parang, talaga, parang it's
Diba?
something
Oo,
negative.
yun yung response agad eh.
Very nega, no?
Very nega. Pero pag kami yung nag-arrive,
Ay, arrive, oh. Kailangan,
it's not nega at all.
na ganyang level of arrive. I like this. The people who get angriest about fat girls looking good and feeling hot are the people who are the most strongly invested in the idea that a person has to be skinny in order to be happy, healthy, and loved.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Diba?
No, but I like this because she speaketh the truth. This is true, diba? A lot of people feel this way.
Yep.
But sir naman. So here, I like what you posted in your office.
Yeah.
L'officine.
Yeah.
Ay, kita ba? Yaya. Kita ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Kita naman, kita.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey! The word I'm blocking is less. Okay. Well, yeah, I posted that in the office kasi parang nagiging issue na asaran about fat, ganyan.
Oh, yeah. I read about that. Tell
Yeah.
us about that
So,
incident.
Parang yung office mate ko kasi she's complaining na ano na daw, na ang taba-taba niya, ganyan.
Yeah.
Eh parang to me, why are you complaining? Eh, you're enjoying all the food you've been eating. And, alam mo yun, parang,
Lafus ka na lafus, tapos...
di ba?
complain
Tapos,
ka, diba?
Isa kong office mate, super tinatawag siya na Miss B. Na parang
Okay.
Miss Buntis. Tapos siya, offend siya na parang, first off, well, yeah, you've got a gut. Nagkaroon ka talaga ng gut because of all the eating. So, bakit ka ma-offend for something true? I mean, come
Oh,
on,
alam mo,
diba?
fist ka na yung fiste. Pati talagang magiging ano ka.
Diba? Tapos
With
pag
that, oh.
dinescribe ka lang as how it is, as how you look, bigla kang ma-offend. I mean,
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's just like calling it out. Like,
Yeah.
like for example, tonight, basa yung kilikili ko. It
No.
doesn't mean it's not negative.
yeah, basa lang siya eh.
I'd like to thank Wink Studio PH.
I love Wing Studio.
No, yeah, me too, right?
No,
Yeah, I've been harassing my technician. Hi! Pwede naman magpa-session, ma'am. Hindi po pwede. Hindi, kailangan. Then I'll use a different number to text her. Not just kidding. No, but anyway, yeah, going back to your office mate.
What?
Kahit siya nakain. Tapos
No, nag-chat
salbabida.
siya.
Oh.
Tapos yung office mate kong isa na guy, na-asal siya, tapos parang yung isa pa nag-comment na, uy, ba't mo siya tinawag na gano'n? Alam mo ba yan yung worst na pwede mo sabihin sa babae? And I was like, what? To be called fat? It's the worst thing you can say to a woman, really?
Yeah.
I mean, that's so shallow.
It's very shallow.
Diba?
It's a shallow hal. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not, So, si office mate na girl, offended pa rin.
Now, ngayon, shut up na sila.
Because you post that, shut up all of
Diba?
you.
So, ayan, matuto kayong lahat.
So do they still crack jokes like that in front of you in your presence or
No.
Yeah, they know. They
Diba?
better watch out.
Exactly.
They better not cry or else. So here we were talking about the media earlier, diba? This is how it is portrayed. This is how perfection is portrayed. Tapos at such a young age,
Correct.
maybe
We are
lang tayo
given
ng mga
perfect
ganyan.
dolls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like that. Did you have a Barbie doll?
Yeah. I
Any
think every
Barbie doll?
girl
What was the impact
gets a
of
Barbie doll.
having a Barbie doll? Parang,
Pretty! Yun yung pretty. Parang,
oo.
kunwari, growing up, yun kaagad yung doll na given sa'yo. Ikaw naman amazed ka, diba? Kasi it's like the biggest craze, Barbie doll.
Forever, yeah. Like, until like
yeah,
now,
until-
right?
Pero parang ako, I vowed to myself na if I'm gonna have kids, I'm gonna give them rag dolls.
Noon, dude, I saw a picture
Sila
na
magdi-design.
hinilera lahat ng dolls from the 60s up to now. And papayat din ang papayat pati si Barbie.
Ay talaga?
Yeah.
Nagda-diet si Barb, hoy. Ano ba yan?
Yung evolution ni Barbie, papayat siya ng papayat.
Pero I really like the
The
Barbie.
portrayal of the real life.
real human body.
This was taken
Female
off
body.
a link in your blog, and then the entry was entitled, "How would Barbie look if she was patterned after a real person?"
It's better. I like it.
Parang normal,
I
right?
like her bedonk-donk.
Ano bidonk-donk?
What?
Wala dyan.
Wetpacks.
Wala yung side view. Meron sila side view dyan.
Parang ganyan.
May porch siya sa side view.
Oh, sa side view talagang kita mo yung curve.
So you go to the Plump Pinay, the Plump Pinay on Facebook, and then you look for this link, and then it shows you the different angles of how Barbie would look like as a normal person. Have you seen the toys nowadays?
No.
Ay nako, meron alam mo yung Bratz with the
Ay,
yeah.
Ay,
Ayaw.
karambay.
I don't like it. The
You
style, the makeup, the glitters.
It's too much.
Too much.
It's too much. What are you giving your children? Why do you
and
buy that?
the toys are being given to 4-year-old girls.
Yeah.
Yun yung target market nila eh.
Oh my gosh.
Diba?
Like a high heels.
Siyempre, yung gusto
diba?
nilang suotin, nakita
Ano?
nila sa doll nila eh. Mga
Mga
mini
fishnets,
skirt,
ganyan.
fishnet.
Fishnet, high heels. I saw somebody posted on Facebook. I don't know if it's being sold here. Parang may doll, di ba? Normal, may girl. Tapos may alaga siyang, like, let's say, horsey, di ba? Or like
Unicorn?
I don't know if it's a
That hoops
unicorn.
rainbows?
That, yeah. Not rainbow, diamond.
Oh my
Oh
gosh.
my gosh, can I have it? Please, Tita Kay. Please, Tita Kay.
Ay, ito, bibigay ko na sa'yo. No, I'm not kidding. It's a doll. It comes in a set. And then I guess there are different characters. But, yun nga, may girl, may alaga siyang pet, yung kabayo, that poops gems.
Diamonds.
Oh,
I
parang
saw one pair rainbows eh.
poops. Anong kinakain niya? Damo. Tapos ganun.
Special damo.
Special damo.
Special damo. Talagang mapupup ka na rainbow na Roy G. Biv level. But What's this? Also, there are well, sabagay. I always see this billboard, baby alive.
Oh my God, medyo scary yun.
Yeah.
Medyo scary.
When you get home, it
Hashtag
wakes
medyo
up.
scary.
Yeah. Then
Diba?
it crawls to your bedroom. No, I'm just kidding. It's a doll, but it pees.
Yeah. And
It's
it
a really-
poops. So you have to use the diapers all the time.
It's a poop?
Yeah, it poops.
What
too.
kind of poop? Like a rainbow also?
I hope so.
Oh my gosh. These
I hope
toys!
so.
You people, can you come up with something else? Body image warrior. What is a body image warrior? What do you stand for? What are you fighting for?
I think what we stand for is basically we just want to show women na your size or whatever part of your body na you think is hindering you from living life, it's not true.
Hindering you from living life. I like it already.
Yeah, di ba? Because some people na parang sobra silang, kunwari,
Insecure.
insecure with their skin na, ayoko mag-swimming kasi itim ako, pangit ako pag maitim, or di ko kaya mag-dance because I'm fat, lahat ng tao dun payat, or I don't wanna go to the gym. Yung mga limiting things na I can't, na parang...
With that mindset of I
yeah,
can't.
yeah.
Yeah, and
Can't. You can.
And what we also fight for is the standards of the media na parang you don't have to believe na yan talaga yung beautiful sa
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
sa eyes ng people na hindi naman kailangan gantong size or kailangan gantong buhok mo or what. That's what we're fighting for. Na diversity is beautiful. Can you imagine living in a world na lahat tayo magkakamukha, magkakasize? That's so boring.
Para ka na sa purgatorio. Tapos lahat naka-robe na white.
Diba?
No,
It's
yeah.
so boring.
It's boring and it's not real. I
Yeah.
read in your blog that only 8% of the world, as in planet Earth,
look like models.
Yeah.
Diba? And so, ba't ganon? Bakit yun pa yung
Parang
parang naging minority tuloy yung majority, which is so
Naging
weird.
minority yung majority.
Diba?
That's so right.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's wrong with you people?
What's up?
And like you have a
So-
feature of the minority in a magazine. I'm not belittling the magazines. I buy a lot of magazines and I read them for the aspirational, feeling that it gives. And then they have the minority as a feature. But then when you go into their, what do you call it? The new clothes and the editorials, it's all the
Skinny people.
skinny people
models,
again.
yeah.
This is sweet people. Anyway, here is a blog on your blog
Yeah,
called
we feature.
Stretch Love. What tell us about this blog?
This blog basically features pictures of women submitted by themselves
Yeah.
of a body part that has stretch marks.
Pinas.
No, it makes it's
Okay.
it's an international blog. Basically, we just wanna tell women that you know what, stretch marks, cellulites,
Parang
parang
normal.
everyone has one. Parang
Even models have it. Photoshop lang.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah.
And now it's
okay,
to
I'll show
believe na
you.
it's natural.
No, and everybody has people just hide it. I also
Yeah.
stretch marks on. Yeah, I can't show you where I have my stretch
na
marks.
parang it's a natural phenomena, but people think na oh
You
my
have to
gosh,
get rid of
stretch
it,
marks
yeah.
ka. Parang come on, dude. I grew.
Yeah, it's like everybody has it. And people here are, it's being celebrated. It's like people are submitting their photos
Yeah.
on this blog. Like, hey, we're the normal people.
Yeah.
So yan ay ang stretchlovetumblr.com. Kung gusto niyo mag-submit ng picture ng mga stretch mark nyo, punta kayo dyan. And you're not alone. It's like what I like about this blog is that you're not alone. It gives you the, like you're alone and then you want to wear a bikini. Again, I'm too fat. And it's that mindset na
Yeah, it's
naman.
just that mindset.
Again, just, no, can't do this. Punta ka sa blog na yan, mag-submit ka na ng picture mo.
Yeah, cheers,
Bikini
cheers,
ka.
cheers to that,
cheers to that.
Kebs sa kanilang lahat.
Kebs.
Yeah.
Cheers to Tita K.
Cheers.
Yeah, you just wear that. I'm sweating. So your makeup, fabulous makeup. You guys, in your blog, you feature a lot of outfits and a lot of makeup. Sa kayo natuto mag-makeup, mga te!
And ito, YouTube.
I really just watched a lot of YouTube videos.
Sino doon?
Makeup Geek, Makeup by Lena Baby, syempre Promise Tamang fan. She's
Yeah.
so good. Tsaka,
I always hear about her, but I never really watch.
Oh my gosh, galing niya. She
Candy
can do
Johnson.
like, kunwari, mukha ni Chris Brown.
Gagawin niya sa sarili
yun.
niya.
Swear, tas super kamukha niya si Chris Brown.
Is that where you got the idea of coming to a costume party dressed as Rihanna?
Yeah.
Galing, that's so galing. So guys, go to their blog and then she attended a costume party.
It's
an
her
office-
Christmas party. Office Christmas party.
And then Kamas like
So,
sikat.
ang init, ang dugyot, as in,
Ang lagyat.
ang lagyat. Kasi nag-amazing race pa kami nung... at
Before
night,
the dinner.
Before the dinner. So, tumatakbo ako ng fort, ang itim-itim ko. Pawis na my gosh, tumutulo na siya. Hindi na
Ano siya?
pantay.
Tan? Parang tan.
No, concealer na brown.
Concealer,
Oh my God.
all over.
All over.
That's like wearing a tracksuit. It's like
Diba?
this thick, yeah.
Yeah.
And then you're bawal to make pawis.
Yeah.
No, di ba? When pag nakafunda ka, te, tapos parang pag nakaplastado yan, parang wala kang
Nagkikik.
papawisan.
Oo,
Pag sa
yeah.
tenga, lalabas na yung pawis.
Yeah.
Or here also, as like I
Yeah.
was saying. So that's where you learned how to do makeup. When did you start playing with makeup?
High school.
High school.
High school? Naka-eyeliner na kayo sa ano?
Or ano, kasi bawal all-girls school na Catholic school, so mga blush-blush, yung mga blush-blush siya na tint.
Yeah.
Tent.
Ginagamit namin yung lips na candy. Yung super
Ay, oo!
red. Para, wala,
Kaya
hindi yan
ano,
matatanggal.
It's not. It's a candy. Dati ano? It's a candy. Dati kami ano? Ano yung crepe paper?
Oh my gosh!
Oo, nung panahon nga ng mga older generations.
It's a crepe
That's what they use.
paper. You know when you make your ano wreath, you have to make a wreath for the Lenten season. Kinukuha na naman yung pula.
Kasi napapa sa inyo.
Oo, lulublubin sa tubig, lalagay dito. Tapos one time, meron kami
Bongga.
friend. Parang ang dami niya nilagay.
Nasobrahan ba?
Yeah, that's what you call being resourceful.
Yeah,
Resourcefulness is always good.
I agree.
Kailan ka nag-red hair?
Ay, kakapalit lang
Kakapalit
ng
ko
brown.
lang, a few months ago.
Is it difficult having ano?
Yeah.
Super colored hair? Did you have to color it like light first before ano?
Yeah, you have to bleach it first, and then, just every month, retouch yung roots, and then recolor everything.
How is that retouching thing working
Dude,
for you?
parang, ang sakit.
Ahapdi, no?
Ahapdi. Parang
Let's ask
tinabunan
Joyce
ng
Spring,
pulang
no, just kidding.
langgam yung scalp ko.
And then, di ba parang kailangan may, ano ba yung ano sa roots? 30 minutes? 30
Yeah,
minutes of
more ganyan.
torture.
Yes.
You have to whiten it and then you put the color
And then there
again.
was a time na parang napatagal ata and super intense yung bleach na ginamit. So may
Shit.
scab.
Shocks.
As in, nag-scab yung scalp ko, okay. Yeah. So, nag-flake yung...
Ano nilalagay doon?
Wala.
Tsatsagain mo.
Tiis
Antayin.
ganda.
Yeah.
Tiis ganda.
Yeah, it's beautiful. To be beautiful is difficult. You get scab on the head. Kem sa inyo lahat. Red naman yung hair mo, yung mukhang duguan. But of course, you guys have to remember that no amount of makeup can
Exactly.
cover up an ugly
Kaya,
personality.
we're really confident then going out na kahit walang makeup or naka whatever clothes. Unlike other people na talagang kailangan dressed up talaga to the bonggang-bongga bells na...
Me ano, kailangan ko ng kilay.
kilay.
Oo. As in, kailangan. One time my husband thought
Parang
na,
pag nasanay ka na may kilay, tas nawala, parang kalbo, no?
parang ka may sakit.
Parang,
Napagkamalan ako may sakit. Sabi ng asawa ko, Saturday morning, are you okay?
Kasi wala.
You have to go to the hospital.
Agad, hindi mo pwede magkilay muna.
Are you okay? Are you sure? I feel well. Curvy role models. There is a lack of curvy role models today, and I'm glad that you are doing this effort in making a blog. Galing-galing. When did you start the blog? Ay, ang dami ko nang pinag-chika-chika.
Sundan ang script.
Ano ba yung script natin? Direct, sorry. Yan see what started the blog.
I had anorexia, bulimia.
Anorexia,
Nung high
bulimia.
school. Yeah.
2-in-1.
Yes.
Anorexia.
Kinombo
Is
ko
bulimia not under
Kinombo.
anorexia?
No.
Ano ba yung anorexia? Te?
Anorexia is yung ano.
Ayaw mo na kumain.
Anorexia is
Anorexia?
In
kapag,
Latin, anorexia.
anorexia is yung kapag yun nga, you starve yourself to lose weight. As in, no eating at all.
Yeah.
And then, bulimia naman is when you overeat.
Yeah.
And then
you
you
purge. Yeah.
So what I did was, nagpaka-anorexic muna ako. So fasting, ganyan, mga ilang days. Tapos kapag
Ilang
di ko na...
days? Ang hirap nun ha.
Yeah, as in water
Ano
lang.
dito. Uy, sabihin niyo sa akin pag may dahon ako sa ngipin ha. Meron ba? Mga friends.
Clear, clear.
Okay, clear.
Okay,
so you would starve yourself.
Yeah.
But that's hard. That's hard
Yeah,
to
it's
go
hard.
on for a day.
And I was in high school, so
Ay, hindi,
nakakabobo.
pag high school, kaya yun. Dali lang, kahit ano pwede kayo pag high school.
Hindi din.
Hindi rin.
Anyway, so yun. Tapos nung super nagutom na ako, sobrang lamon. Kasi hello, ilang days ako hindi kumain. Tapos na-guilty ako na parang, what? Sayang all the effort. Ay, alam mo yun, pinutom-gutom ko pa sarili ko.
Yeah.
So, doon
And then
nag-start
you
yung idea.
purge, yeah.
Parang, uy, okay yun. I can eat a lot and then just purge it out.
Also, what people, the accepted, it's not accepted, it's still a form of bulimia when you eat and then
Then
you drink
you-
your tea.
Yeah.
It's still a form of bulimia.
Or when may mga kilala ko na they chew and then they just spit the food out. Parang nalasahan
Kabayo,
lang nila.
oo.
Oo, ganun.
Ah, ganun.
Yeah, maraming weird ways people come up with just to lose weight. It's insane.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, it's not fascinating. It's I've never heard about that. Well, sometimes I spit the meat out when it's super tough.
Yeah,
Oo. Pero
Hindi
ito
naman
kasi
yun.
talagang they chew, the entire meal, they chew and spit. They
Like
have a cup.
caviar level, ganon. Tapos pakeso-keso ka. Ganon.
Yeah.
Okay, so you've encountered people like this.
Yeah.
And then, ano,
In high school.
in high school. No, in high school kasi you're kind of nuts, right? And you're always trying do stupid things.
Yeah.
Banyo tayo.
Yeah. May group pa kayo. Group pa kayong
It's so
pupunta.
much.
Sabay-sabay kayo.
I have other friends who bought wands from EK. Alam mo yung glow-in-the-dark wands?
Yeah.
Sabay-sabay silang bumili para yun yung pang ano nila.
What?
Pang
Sundot?
bango. Yeah, pang sundot.
Hindi ko alam yun eh.
Ba't pa kailangan nila bumili ng wand? Di ba?
Ano lang, arte lang. Arte lang.
Parang bonding.
Oo, yun yung ano nila.
Yeah, guys, this makes suka.
Yeah, suka together.
Naka-on yung ilaw. May ilaw yun, wala.
Yeah.
Ah, ganun.
Why not? Crack nila. Para
No,
pag
it's
pinapasok
really
nila, nag-glow, di ba?
No, it's really glow in the dark. The stick itself is glow in the dark.
Okay,
It's not like the...
I'm not laughing at the condition or anything. It's
Yeah.
something to be taken
Yeah.
seriously, but
Hindi, seriously.
but yeah. Toothbrush, di ba pwedeng toothbrush? Para after mag-toothbrush kayo. Why not?
Why not? True.
Kung nagaga, huwag kang gagawin yan.
Yeah,
No, but
do it.
if you're in that point in your life, you do it and you do it until you hit rock bottom. Is that
Yeah.
what happened to you?
Well, yeah.
Mga
Actually, may
half
time
of
na
rock bottom.
medyo half,
Yeah.
three-fourths.
Mga okay.
Medyo nag-black na yung nails ko, tapos nalagas na yung hair ko.
Ay, blackness levels.
Yeah, ganun na. Kasi
Vitamin
mga-
deficiency.
Yeah, almost a
Okay.
year na I've been doing it. And in one day, I purge mga 6 times up.
Kasi marami kang kinakain.
Kasi
and then you
oo,
would
sobrang
purge.
mag-binge.
And this was when you were young. Kasi parang you have no, parang your self, hindi pa
Yeah.
aware sa mga
Yeah.
health benefits.
Yeah,
chuchu.
wala.
High school din, di ba? Wala
And
kang
kasi,
care.
when we were in high school, ang dami nagkakrush sa kanya. Tapos parang ako, kambal naman kami. Yung mga crush ko sa kanya
Yeah,
nagkaka-crush.
okay.
So parang super insecure ako nun kasi mas pecha sa akin nung high school.
Okay.
Pero na-realize niya, wala pala yun sa katawan kasi hanggang ngayon lahat ng... Just joking.
Talaga.
They're so cute. I want a twin.
Go, B! Go cray-cray.
Yeah.
Make me a twin.
Yes, ma'am.
I want a twin.
I'll order, ma'am.
I love that phone.
Thank you. Yeah. I love my eyes. Very good. Create a twin for me. Yeah, you guys, look at Marilyn Monroe. Ano ba yan? When did this obsession with skinniness? And it's not that parang everybody's affected by it.
Yeah.
Diba, when you speak of the word, when you speak of the models or the clothes or even shopping, diba? Parang then you feel bad about yourself. So get comfortable in your own skin. It's the only one you're ever going to get. I got this also from your blog. I like it that you post mga saying, inspiration. Parang naiyak nga ako eh.
Shareables yan eh, shareables.
It's shareables. Where do you find this? What's the .com of that?
Tumblr?
Tumblr is a baguettes platform. For me, it's only like a Facebook. So this was during your birthday. Your birthdays.
At sa Londoning, we saw this figurine. It was so beautiful. So parang...
Yeah, I like fat art kasi. And in college, I wrote about why Ruben, yung mga muse niya, laging,
Rubenesque, yeah.
laging mga full-figured girls. So, I'm into that.
May picture ako nun. Dito ba yun? Oh, mamaya, we'll go
Sige,
into that
sige.
later. Yeah, sa Londoning. I like this. I want to read this out to you. This is by Fluvia Lacerda. Who is she?
She's a top model from Brazil.
Yeah, she's like the
Okay.
Giselle Bundchen of plus size.
Pero sa New
models.
York na siya nakabase ngayon.
Ay, ganon. Lumevel up na.
Bongga bells na rin siya.
Bonga Bells, look at that. And Fluvia says, I'm that fat chick wearing bikinis at the beach and seriously happy about it. Perhaps because New York City winters have made me realize how awful I look on that pale yellow skin tone, but probably and most likely because I'm aware that if I'm not happy under my own skin, no one else will be for me. Enjoy your summer. I know I will. Diba? Your confidence. And you guys have to look to people like this and not at the other depicted role models that we think. Anyway,
gosh.
I want to talk about boudoir.
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 Boudoir. Paano pronounce? Boudoir.
Boudoir. Boudoir yata, te.
Boudoir. Yeah, boudoir.
Yeah,
Ask
yeah.
Yaya.
Yes, ma'am.
How do you say boudoir?
Boudoir. Boudoir.
I don't know, ma'am.
Boudoir.
You must say it. Boudoir.
Boudoir?
Like that. Very good. Very good. I give you bonus.
Yeah.
Boudoir photography. Do you have a friend that does this?
We actually...
Or in-approach kayo ng Hollywood studio?
No. I wish it was that story, but the story behind this is... Wait, aliw ako dito. Mamaya magtatanong tayo
Yeah,
dito.
magtanong ka.
Sige,
Pumikit
sige.
muna tayo.
Sige.
Tapos
Go
magtanong
ask.
ka. Ask mo loud. Para yung mga
Sige.
fans mo ay ano.
This year ba magkakaroon ako ng date? Date lang?
Date lang?
muna. Date
Jowa
Sige,
Bells
sige.
na.
Sige, or Jowa Bells.
Ano daw?
Oh, shit! Outlook not so good.
Okay, maybe the year after
Okay, never
that.
mind.
Yeah.
Mamaya.
Bigyan na natin, buhusan natin ng
Cheers pa nga,
mojito
cheers.
tong borat to.
Cheers
nga, not
Cheers
so
sa Outlook na not so good.
Yes. No. Yes.
Okay. So,
Going back to boudoir.
every 2 months or so, we plan a photo shoot for the readers kasi they really love that na meron kami mga themed photo shoots. Eh, never pa kami nagkaroon ng boudoir shoot. So, naghanap kami online and then I came across this website kasi yung friend ko sa Facebook nag-post siya. Mukha siyang guest ad. So, parang wow, sobrang hot naman ito. Parang, anong
Yeah.
shoot yung ginawa niya? Yun pala. I came across this website called theboudoirdolls.com.
Okay.
Tapos 3 girls sila na magbe-best friend. Tapos galing sila sa Imagination Photography.
Janet Jackson.
Imagination
Rhythm
Photography.
Nation, yeah.
Tapos, dun sila. And then, ito yung, parang meron silang wedding photographers talaga silang tatlo. Pero
Okay,
together,
yeah.
this is what they do.
That's nice, yeah. It's
Tapos
a
yung,
sexy side, yeah.
parang the concept behind this is they want women to feel good about themselves. Maganda rin, parang at par with their advocacy. So, minessage ko sila kasi ang mahal ng rate. Parang, not really expensive, but, I mean, for first time.
Oh, yeah, we were in
just in
college
college kasi. Sabi ko, can we do a collab? Parang we'll promote your services. And you can just cross-link our photos sa blog nyo. Tapos sila, sobrang... I was talking to Shyla. Hi, Shyla.
Hi, Shayla.
Hi, Shay. Tapos, she agreed. So, we scheduled the next week. Tapos, nung ando na kami, we were just so happy to do the shoot with them. Kasi sobrang funny.
Tsaka
Okay.
galing nila to make you feel confident talaga na parang the
Yes,
way
that's
they
sexy.
shoot you.
Yeah.
Okay. Were you
Okay.
nervous when you first showed up? Did you bring your own costumes?
Yeah, we did. We brought our own lingerie.
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 Yeah.
I'm a unicorn.
Saglit, ano ba yung unicorn na yan, te?
Oh,
My Little Pony.
No, unicorn.
Ay, wala nga palang ano
Not
si
pony.
Little Pony.
This is...
The unicorn
I
of
feel
your...
like a retard, but... Hi, Topher! Thanks for helping me with this one. Yeah. Hello, my name is the unicorn of your dreams. I wear this to the office every day. And they call me unicorn.
Yeah, you have to have something, oh.
Yeah.
Me, I have my disco ball. I bring it everywhere I go. Yaya? No, I'm just kidding, Yaya. You make plancha pa rin. So, you brought your own clothes, and then
we styled ourselves.
then you did your own makeup.
No. Meron na kaming
In-house makeup
in-house
artist.
for
Meron
that.
na.
Meron na.
Casey Lim, what's up?
What's
Thanks,
up,
Casey.
yo?
Yeah, she's really amazing.
Yeah.
Look at that. You wear a contact. I wear
Yeah,
a
I wear a
contact. lens.
contact.
Yeah, thanks
Ako
to
din.
Miss Joyce Spring there. I wear a contact because it's so fabulous.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, even if I'm blind. I
Even if
hear
you don't see anything.
Yeah, I hear Joyce but I don't see her. Is she
I
here?
love her hair.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I want to dye my hair blue.
Yeah, I just told her that.
Go.
Let's dye it blue.
Please.
Let
Can we
us.
dye it on
And
air?
pink, so I can be a unicorn.
Can I be lavender lilac like your shawl?
Yeah, it can be, but you have to really dye it into white.
Let's do that. Let's do it on a...
On air.
On air.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Let's schedule.
Hours.
Let's schedule.
Oh my god.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Never mind.
that's your turn. That's your turn.
Okay.
Back to the boudoir. Bahay mo to, te?
How's ng makeup artist friend na?
Kasi parang kunyari nagsushooting kayo niyan, tapos dumating si mother. Hi! Ano pinagkagagawa niyo dyan?
Actually, yung mommy ko din nagpa-shoot siya.
I know. I have a photo. She's fabulous.
Super.
Actually, when I Google you before, Plum Pinay. I Google it. It's your mother. I thought she's the one.
You
And
thought
then I
she's the
look
one.
again, I look at many
Siya
pictures.
si Plump Inay.
Yeah.
Plump
Yeah.
inay.
Plump Pinay.
Siya
She's
si
the
Plump
one. She's the
Inay.
mother.
Yeah.
So this is your short hair.
Yeah,
And
and-
that is the staircase.
Yeah.
Those are the shadows.
No, shadows are your friend, ha?
Yeah.
He's a friend. Yeah. He's a drama, you know?
And then for
my
that
shadow.
shoot, I'm really insecure about my arms before. Na parang, I have to hide my arms kasi it's big and may ano.
There's the mindset. you
So,
have
diba?
it, yeah.
So parang, wala, wapakels. Take
Then
it off.
you remove
diba?
the mindset.
Do this.
Yeah, post na.
It's beautiful. It's wonderful. I love it. And I especially love this. Sisterly love.
Yes!
Yeah.
Forever! Ever! We
Yeah,
soulmates.
Yes, ma'am.
Yaya, where's my twin?
It's on the way na, ma'am.
You're so fun. I like this also. I'll read it again. Parang naging reading char, but diba? Reading class. But it's nice. It's just so nice. It makes you feel good. Surround yourself with the dreamers and the doers, the believers and thinkers, but most of all, surround yourself with those who see greatness within you, even if you don't see it yourself. So, ay, ano ba itong pinagbabasa ko? Balik na tayo. Going back to the blog. What started the blog?
Yun nga. So,
Wow! That's a really long way!
And then because yung susunod dito, parang kasama dito. Pero hindi ko pa nagagawa ito. So dito muna tayo. Going back
Okay,
to the
so
blog.
yun. So naging yun na nga and all that. Tapos ilang beses ako nag-relapse. Parang kahit after therapy and after being
Pera ka, nag-pera
hospitalized.
ka, te.
Yeah. Nag-relapse pa din ako, relapse. So parang, eventually, college, we were in second year ba?
Very young, no? That was quite a young
Something to
time to
experience
start.
na,
Yeah.
So yun, and then I came across this blog. It's called corpulent.wordpress. And then
Okay.
the girl was just all about body acceptance and parang bigla she started parang fighting na bakit ba kailangan yan yung maganda? Sino ba nagsabi? Who imposed
Sino ba
that?
nagsabi?
Oo,
Yeah.
diba? Na parang bakit gano'n na lang yung treatment and the way fat is perceived.
Yeah.
Ba't naging ganon? And so she was just really fighting about it and super passionate. And I was like, whoa, we should have that here in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Ang dami-daming malaking bulas na girls na
Yeah.
I'm sure they feel bad about themselves. Kasi Asian, dapat petite, dapat
Yeah,
payat.
but there are all these
But
rules,
we're not
right?
that. And,
yeah.
so doon nag-start. We were inspired by another blog.
Yeah, which is usually the case naman
Yeah.
with bloggers. You get
Yeah.
inspired by something, which is great. And I'm glad you found that blog
Yeah,
at that time.
super.
Because therapy was not working. Ano therapy? Like if what would you suggest
talk therapy
people,
kayo, diba?
like if somebody would be going through the same thing you were going through then and young at your age, what would you suggest?
I won't really suggest therapy, pero detox from media. TV, magazines.
Paano yun?
That's what
Paano
I did.
Titira ka sa kuweba?
Di naman.
Sa bundok.
Pero immerse na lang. As in, anong term hinahanap ko? Twin
Immerse?
power activate. Immerse.
Immersion.
So, immersion siya. Hindi, immerse
sa ano
yourself.
pa yun? Sa ano? Yeah.
Sa high school, yan. So, immerse yourself sa mga body positive na mga websites, ganyan, and ano pa bang mga sources?
And look for celebrities or icons na same body type mo. Parang, I don't really see the point na this is your body type and you look to someone na sobrang ibang-iba sa body type.
Tapos
mo na,
parang, ba't di ako ganyan?
Oo.
Parang you're not meant to look that way in the
Yeah.
first place.
yeah.
Galing.
Kaya pinupunta ko website na Beyonce, gano'n. H&M.
Yeah, I love it so much. And at that time, were you also going through the same thing?
I was going through
Di marami ka
obsessive calorie
maliligaw eh.
counting.
Oo.
Niligaw, mga tivoli naman dati yun. Nasa all-girls school kami. Buti sana lahat sila lalaki. Anyway.
What? Ikaw din eh!
I became addicted to exercising and obsessive calorie counting.
Obsessive calorie
Yeah.
counting.
So,
which
dapat
is not
yung-
cool because
My energy was exceeding the amount of nutrients I was getting. Kasi gusto ko dapat maburn ko lahat ng kinain ko within the day. Na walang matitira sa katawan kong energy.
obsessive calorie counting. That's mathematics.
Oh, medyo.
You have like a diary.
Yeah,
and you
ganyan.
write it down.
Diary. Tapos lagi akong sa exercise ko, on the dot yan, 7 p.m.
Wow.
Tapos 40 minutes sakto, gantong exercise, the next 15 minutes, ganito.
Yeah.
So, where would you draw the line between discipline and being obsessive?
I think if it's starting to...
Eat into your nutrition and
Yeah, and when you
well-
start
Oh,
feeling,
yeah.
when you start beating yourself up for
Oo,
missing,
yun.
kunwari, one day of exercise,
exercise,
parang,
tas you hate
shit,
yourself.
I hate myself, na, na, na.
The
Parang,
slash
dude,
list
that's not
level,
healthy
oh,
anymore.
yeah.
Diba?
to keep full hair like that. yeah, that is not healthy, and it also affects how you treat yourself and other
Yeah.
people after that. Whatever. And yeah, there I read this to you now. I will not read it again. What was the support you got from your mom, your fabulous mother?
Our mom, super supportive naman siya sa lahat ng gusto namin gawin eh.
Yeah.
She's like a sister, no?
Yeah.
Look at that. It's not twin, it's a triplet.
That's what people say all the time.
Yeah.
Really? They do, no?
As in, ate mo, si mommy ko, huwag mo na kasi ako tinatawag na mama sa labas.
Ano dapat?
Tita daw, tita or
Ange.
Ange. Yeah. Hi, Ange.
What's up, Mama Bear?
What's this? So, she was supportive in the sense, anak, mag-vlog ka na, huwag ka na mag-depress.
Super intuwa naman siya sa, na yun yung naging advocacy namin. And lalo na when other girls started to, support us.
Tapos lagi yan sa shoot, kunwari, siya yung nasa behind the camera, tapos may photographer siya.
Oh, yun yun. Yeah.
So
Fix your hair, fix your...
Oo,
Ganun.
ganyan. Tapos parang, yung angling mo, ganyan.
What if ayaw mo makinig? Sinabi na picture nga.
Lalakihan ka lang ng mata.
Oo.
That's so nice, and that's what every person needs naman, really, a support group.
Yes.
And it's great that you have it within your
Yeah,
family.
Super blessed.
So, right, so I was Googling the plump Pinay. This is the picture I see. I thought she's the one.
No, yeah.
She's
that's
the
her
plump
mom.
inay.
Yeah, that's
This
the
is-
plump inay.
This is the mother of Stacy and Dana. Look how fabulous she is.
Yes.
And celebrate. Ang ganda ng makeup niya.
Siya lang
She
gumawa.
did that
Siya lang
herself.
yun. Sandali. Hindi ko makita. May mga chorba siya dito, no?
Meron.
Mga shimmer, shimmer.
Oh, yeah, like an eyelid kind of
Mahilig
thing.
siya dyan sa eye makeup.
It's beautiful, beautiful. You're gorgeous, and I thought you're the plump Pinay. Okay, so going back here, don't let your mind bully your body. My mom always says, and like sometimes at night when I'm trying to sleep, I hear her voice. Mom, stop it! The battlefield is in the mind.
Correct. Yeah.
I don't know if it's biblical. Is it biblical?
It is.
It is.
But I don't know what verse.
I think it's
what-
Proverbs, where the mind goes, the man follows. Or something like that.
Nasa Bible yun?
Sowing the seeds of love.
Okay.
Yeah. That's tears
For
for
God
fears.
so loved the world.
I'm not.
Wait, tama ba?
Don't tell my mama, she will kill me. No, yeah, but yeah, the battlefield is in the mind, and it's always you think that everybody is against you, and you can't do this and you can't do that. It's actually you putting the
Yeah,
limitations on yourself. So mga te, gusto kayo, gusto niyo mga bikini nyo. Going,
Yes.
hindi, balik tayo dito. So how do you, ito ba yun? How has it grown since you guys started the blog?
Di namin na-expect that it's gonna be this big. Alam mo yun, na
We'd
at
be
first,
representing
yeah,
brands.
na
Grabe, ang galing. As in, super tuwan-tuwa ako. Pero hindi na ako umabot sa first entry nyo. What was that like, your first few entries?
At first, we were just really doing it to express ourselves and to share our
Yeah,
experiences
parang diary
talaga. Parang,
level.
Just
ganun
raw.
lang.
Yeah, very
Just
personal.
share sa friends na, oy, basahin niyo yung post ko, ganyan. So,
What age were you guys when you started?
2009. 18.
19.
91 tayo eh.
19.
18.
19.
Okay, mga 18 to 19.
Okay, 18 to 19.
18 to
Between
19. Tita kayo, don't be mad.
No, it's okay. This is my age. Right, Yaya? Yaya, I will kill you. No,
Yes, ma'am.
no, yeah. So, what did you start on? WordPress na agad? May WordPress na nun. Blogspot. And then that's how it grew.
Yeah.
And then, so parang people were sharing.
Oh,
And
share
we were
lang.
getting emails na parang kami, wow.
Oh,
Saan-
nakakatuwa.
Parang I'm a reader from Davao, I'm a reader from US, but I'm Filipina. Mga na parang, wow, it reaches that. Parang,
What are your samples of your memorable emails?
I always
from
say,
readers?
I always share this story. This woman.
May iyak ba ako? Sandali.
Medyo.
Tissue.
Tita Kay, ilabas ang tissue. Okay, very good. Okay, so there's this girl who was at the brink of her divorce. Kasi nga, sobrang baba talaga ng self-esteem niya. Tapos, kakapanganak lang niya, pero she can't seem to appreciate her body after the birth, after the baby. Tapos yung asawa niya, tinatry na i-appease yung relationship, wala nang magawa. So parang she was just so, hindi na siya nag-aayos. She was just depressed.
Yeah.
I think baby blues then added to that. But basically, she was just depressed because of the weight gain.
Yeah.
And then she came across the blog. And meron tayong pinost doon about people na nape-pressure yung mga moms to lose the baby weight right away instead of loving and enjoying the baby.
Yeah.
Parang yung focus
Alam mo, through
nila,
that, oh yeah, don't mind that yaya of mine.
yeah, na parang, di ba, instead of celebrating the new family you have, the baby
Yeah.
you brought into the world, people are, in the magazines pa lang parang,
Di ba sa mga magazines, parang nakakainis na yun yung successful. Parang as a mother, successful ka kapag nalose mo
yung
agad
baby
yung
weight.
baby
Yeah,
weight.
yeah.
Pag bumalik ka agad sa original size.
Yeah.
Parang really,
That is the measure of your
so
success.
shallow.
Parang that cannot be right.
Yeah.
So, here's another photo. Long Yaya is telling me to hurry up. Big love. Where do you get the drive? This is the photo that we were talking about earlier.
Yeah.
Ruben's painting, and all the women in the painting were called Rubenes because
Yeah.
that was his favorite subject, right?
Yep.
So yeah, look at that. That's considered beautiful, mga tao talaga. So yeah, where do you get the drive to write, to blog? Di ba kayo napapagod?
No.
No.
It's really our passion.
I mean,
Yeah.
after that 1 year hiatus, talagang, kasi, I think, na-burnout din tayo for a time, kaya kami nawala.
Wait, how long were you blogging? When did you start?
2009,
2009.
November.
2009.
And then we stopped 2012.
Rest lang. Kailangan niyo naman mag-rest.
Mahabang
Did
rest.
you get to read the comeback post?
Yeah, that was the first kasi nag-start ako from the most recent and then going back. Can we talk about that also? When you got, you fell ill? So let's talk about the condition. What condition was
It's
that?
polycystic ovarian syndrome.
Is it quite common?
It
Yes.
is.
Do people go up to you and say, you know, I had that also, it was good because
Hell,
like this?
yeah. A lot of emails. I got a lot of emails.
And it affected you emotionally and physically. How did it affect you physically?
Physically kasi, yun nga yung kinukwento ko na yung isa kong close friend, meron din siya nun. And we call it the pampapangit syndrome.
Yeah,
Kasi
it's hormonal.
hormonal, para it changes your skin.
Yeah.
Biologically din talaga siya.
Yung hair growth mo,
But
talaga
when do you get it? Like, how does it? It just happens.
Random. It just
Random.
happens
At
to you.
random stages of a person's life.
And how did you start feeling like off? How did you discover that you had this condition?
When I started having facial hair,
Yeah.
and when I gained 40 pounds and
Yeah.
had severe acne.
Parang,
Tapos 8 months na ako walang period kasi noon.
then that was the
Oo,
super alarm
kaya
bell.
parang ako, okay, what's happening to my body?
And then how long did it take for you to, how do you say it, get over this hurdle?
Get over it siguro 8 months. Kasi ano siya, meron siyang depressive.
Depressive,
Factors,
no?
oo.
That's so bad trip. I'm glad that you're out of it. Fee you!
Ako din. Super happy
Fee
she's out of
you!
it.
And how did, fee you! Thank God that 8 months is over. And I'm
Yeah.
glad that you were able to endure it. And how were you during the time she was suffering, no? Oh, God.
She just stuck by me.
No, pero may time din na super na-affect ako even at work na parang I can't focus na parang Dana.
That's so
what's
galing. No?
happening
That's
to
the
you?
power of twins and like, you
Yeah.
know, you're like twinular electricity.
Twinular?
Like that. Inventor.
Twinular electricity, bongga.
And just to like speed it up, you guys are after that break. No, not before that. Ano ba? Hindi, naging everywhere kayo. Here, there you are. There you are again. You're everywhere. Look at you. And look at the attention that you were able to get because of what you stood for. You're a sale girl.
Yes, I'm a sale girl.
Did you buy many things in the sale? What shoot was this? Was this for
This is for the SM Mall of Asia Style Ambassadors.
style ambassador? I want to be a style ambassador.
Oh, I like your style.
Yeah. I want to. Yeah. Are you listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
I want to be a style ambassador.
I don't know how, ma'am.
Okay, bye. And now you are here in Juice Magazine this month. Congratulations!
Let's all get one.
Sige, mga panties. Woohoo! Oh my God, I'm so happy for you naman.
Thank you.
Look at you. And you're
Look at
I
that.
love that you are inspiring all these women to come forward and to send their photos, keb sa sa mga judges dyan sa tabi-tabi. Oh, here you are in the Spanx. Paano may pronounce yan? Spanx. Spanx.
Yeah, like that, Spanx.
Like that. See, even Forever 21. Ooh, so shopping. Where do you like shopping? For plus size women, what is
Forever
nice?
21, Dorothy Perkins, SM Department Store.
Di ba din all, no?
Online.
Dami rin good finds online for plus size talaga. Plus size
People
shops.
need to check out Extra Plus, EXZTRAPLUS at Instagram, and Curve Couture on
Yeah,
Instagram.
you write that down. Or you
Yes.
can go to the Plump
Yeah, you can
Guy.
check out our page.
And it's all there. For shopping, and more
Yes.
shopping. And here, siguro ang dami niya na shopping. Binenta niyo na yung
i-bazaar
mga...
naman.
I-bazaar na ang iba.
Dami, siguro gabundok na yung mga damit-damit nyo. So you went shopping. And here is a...
Regan Chastain, she's a big dancer, pero she's really good.
So here, there is no limit to what you can do.
Exactly.
Regardless of size. Pwede ka mag-tumbling, pwede ka maging dancer. You can win a Grammy, you can run for president, and it is, Englishin mo nga, te.
It is not a crime.
Yeah. It is not dependent on your body type. There.
Amen.
Amen. Double
Delicious.
delicious in your...
Delicious.
Kayo ba to? Or isang tao lang to?
Isa lang.
So no.
Confused na me. You are the model.
Yes, for tomato.
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 So if we go to the tomato website,
Yes.
it is all you.
Oh yes.
It's just all you and you and you.
Yes, that's me. I don't want this show to end.
I'm not going to change my size just because people don't like the way I look.
Adele.
Adele?
Adele.
Adele. That's your Tita Adele, children.
Alam mo yung song na to?
I don't know that song.
Life is... Ay, ito, sige na.
Hindi, pwede kumanta
Go,
dito.
sing it,
Aloud.
It's so... Yung tat-tat-tat. Nung kasi medyo 90s siya eh, so medyo matrans.
90s? That's my heyday. No? You know, when I was your age.
Kwento!
No, never mind. Maybe I have family watching. Hello, family. Wait, anong song to? Flossy Floss. That's not 90s. Maybe you were a child. Okay, you think about that. No, that's Adele again. Fabulous. There is the Fabulous.
Oh, thank you.
Look at you.
Thank you.
You always go out to nightlife like that.
Sometimes.
Me, before.
Yeah.
Before.
And
Pero
then,
ngayon, ano na
Ngayon,
kami?
chill
Yung
na lang.
Talk, let's have wine, let's have cheese, let's talk about life, let's talk about the culture.
Yeah.
the culture. I like I like that.
Let's do that. Let's do that
Let's
one
do that.
time.
Let's do that
Okay.
now na.
Yeah, sige.
Yes, because they kick us out. This is not more beautiful than this. This is not more beautiful than this. Kaya sa mga body type, mga te.
Yeah.
Ang ano bang moral of the story dito? Magpanty ka sa catwalk.
Moral of the story.
As everybody is beautiful. Kasi sometimes we have mga readers naman na parang magsasabi na
I'm really
fat is
thin.
in, thin is out. Parang no, it's not that. You don't have to bash.
You're not pit. You shouldn't pit one against the other.
Oh,
Yeah.
para if some people are naturally skinny, so hindi nila kasalanan yun, di ba?
Yeah.
Some people are naturally fat, so let's just accept each other for, alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Just accept everybody.
Yeah, I was gonna say something, but yeah. But let's not say that. And this is what really touched me is that your followers have come forward and
Yeah.
they've made you the topic of their thesis. They've submitted their
Yes.
pictures and showed that they are comfortable with who
Yes.
they are. Thanks to you guys. Parang you have been, ano ba, parang catalyst level. Parang, ay, ako rin! Kaya naman to! Tapos ganun, pictorial na sila. Tingnan mo to, nag-pictorial na siya, oh. Yan si Yaya nakatingin na sa atin. Yan, yan. Huwag mo siyang tignan. Huwag mo siyang tignan. Yaya!
Yeah, no.
Yaya, we're still showing pictures of the fabulous people that have come forward. Who are now comfortable in their
Skin.
flesh,
Yes.
in their
And
outfits.
they're so lovely, all of them. They're so beautiful.
And everybody knows how to do makeup, damn it. You must watch
I
that.
shall teach you. Let's
Teach
do
me.
tutorials. Yes.
You teach me. Okay. Because this is all I can do.
Ako din, oh my God,
Yan,
puro
parehas
smoky,
kayo.
puro
Smoky.
ganyan lang.
Wait, you
Kilay,
know, you have
smoky.
like that. There's a tail, like the what's that?
No, liner
The
lang.
worm, what's it called? The
Wing,
cat eye,
wing,
yeah,
wing,
the
wing,
wing.
The worm?
Not the worm.
It's a wing.
It's a win, children. It's a win. Okay, so quickly lang before Yaya just you know what, Yaya, if you want to, you can just turn us off it. But before that, tell us about the letter Sarah Meyer wrote
Oh my
to you.
gosh.
She met Sarah Meyer.
I met Sarah Meyer during the
Forever
21
21
fashion show nung Philippine
Philippine.
Fashion Week.
Philippine Week.
Philippine Fashion Week, wala kasi
Yeah.
ako dun kasi nag-aral ako dun. So,
Oh, may exam siya eh. So ako yung nagpunta.
But it's
Tapos,
very good, just study hard.
yeah, I didn't know na I was gonna be interviewed.
Interview?
Yeah, so, tapos nagulat ako na she was really talking to me na parang, I'm
Like-
all for your advocacy and blah blah blah. So I was like, oh my gosh, Sarah Meyer, super mukha akong sira nung interview.
She's like an English.
yeah.
Very much English.
Yes, and
You speak
mukha
very
akong
good English.
Philippine.
Philippine
Medyo,
Philippine
minsan.
Fashion Week.
Yeah.
And then, yun nga, she was telling me how she's really for the advocacy and bigla siyang nag-tweet and then
Oo.
she emailed an article.
Nasa, I want to contribute sa
Yeah.
website, ganyan.
Fantastic,
Diba?
fantastic.
Sarah Meyer, what's up? We never got to hang out. We saw her once at Resorts World. She was inviting us with her husband to have dinner. And we were like,
I saw her once in Rockwood, sinundan ko siya. Tinignan ko na siya.
Stalker! Stalker
Ang
talaga.
ganda niya!
Yeah,
Tapos
super
parang wala siyang makeup, ganda niya.
Yeah.
Tapos tinignan ko na siya. Ganon ang style, stalker. But I want to read a quick excerpt. Ito naman si Yaya. Yaya? There are no shortcuts. There are no shortcuts in dealing with prejudice, in losing weight, in learning how to enjoy exercise. There are no shortcuts that work long-term in crash diets or pills. There are no shortcuts in developing real skills or habits or strength. So she has like a full letter. Ang ganda. It's very, she shows her support for your cause, for your advocacy. Mahaba eh.
tapos yung ender niya, ang tunay na babae, nag-extra rice.
Yeah, I have that
I
also.
love that.
That's our ending
And then din
also.
natin yung chong eh.
Yeah.
Sinabi mo na eh.
Yeah.
Sorry, Tita Kay.
No, there. So here, you read your mind. Again, the battlefield is in the mind. You read your mind of all these things. You are free to
Yes.
make backbend.
Yes.
You do a yoga. It's a fun. Ikaw ba to?
No,
No.
I used to do pole dancing though.
Oh, that's a fun.
Yes.
Feeling ko bagay ka doon.
I'm shy. I like only
It's all in
yoga.
the mind.
Yeah, it's all in the mind. It's all in the mind. And I like that you shared this photo of Glamour magazine.
Yes, we love Rebel Wilson.
Zup Rebs.
I don't know her.
What?
Is she
Fat
young?
Amy!
Oh my gosh!
Watch Pitch Perfect.
Pitch Perfect.
What is that?
Oh,
my God.
Tita Kay.
Yeah, you borrowed that Pitch Perfect.
DVD.
Is it a DVD?
Yeah.
A movie or a series?
movie.
Or a song?
You should watch it.
Okay.
Super funny.
Yaya will get it na. Okay, and oh my gosh. From your Tita O,
Zup Tita O.
not Tita Offie, Tita Oprah. Step away from the mean girls and say bye-bye to feeling bad about your looks. Are you ready to stop colluding with a culture that makes so many of us feel physically inadequate? Say goodbye to your inner critic and take this pledge to be kinder to yourself and others.
Yes.
Word.
Di ba word? Super word, like with a big W.
Super word.
That's whatever. What is word?
Word.
Whatever. Word.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Oprah. So be kind to yourself. And again, we would like to close with...
Ang tunay na babae.
Nag-extra rice.
Yeah! Thank you so much!
Yeah!
I love you, Yaya. Thank you for not killing us. Don't forget to order my twin. Bye. Yaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are you not talking to me when I'm talking to you?
I'm
Bye,
making the
guys.
bath.
Never mind.
Bye! Cheers!
Thank you for watching.
Cheers.
Live, love,
Cheers, cheers,
lol.
Cheers.
Fantastic.